how to back up your data in WhatsApp Business. So you may want to do this if you have some important chat information, or you just want to make sure you don't lose your data or chat information. Now, to create a backup, first load up WhatsApp Business and then press Settings in the bottom right hand side. You can then scroll down this page and select Chats, and now scroll down and click on Chat Backup. Now, you can decide to create an auto backup by clicking on this option here, and you can set an automatic backup for every week, month, or daily. Now, if you just want to do a one-time backup with all of your data, you can do this as well. So just come back over to the previous window and click on Backup Now. Now, this will take a full backup of your WhatsApp data. Just make sure you have enough storage space in iCloud in order to be able to make this backup. You can also decide whether you want to back up your videos as well just by checking this option, and that's how to back up all of your chat data in WhatsApp Business.